Hey, what's up guys? This is Anthony once again coming to you, and in this video I want to show you why you should stop caring about the number of followers that you're gonna get in your Instagram or any other social media platform. I'm also gonna share some case studies of people that I know that have hired social media experts to only get followers and what were the results of that. Stay tuned. And first of all, let me clarify why you need to stop caring about followers. So as you may not know, you're probably gonna see a lot of pages on Instagram. They have maybe 200k, 300k, 400k followers in their page, and you think, man, they're making a lot of money, right? Well, let me tell you that you are wrong in a sense. Not all the pages that have a big following, they're gonna be making a lot of money, and let me explain you why. So I used to have a business, online business, which is promoting things online. I used to sell products online, and actually I used to reach these pages with 200k or maybe 500k up to 1 million followers, thinking that they're gonna bring me a lot of money in return. So they will be my influencers, they will be the people that are gonna be promoting my product, and they will be in the same niche for my product. So I started reaching out to these pages before I actually had my own following. I started reaching out to these pages with a big following, 200k, 100k, 1 million followers, and they will charge me some money in order for them to promote my product in their page. Surprisingly enough, they do have a big following, but when you actually get on the back end and you actually see how many of their followers are gonna be converting customers, because at the end of the day you shouldn't care about the followers if the audience doesn't buy. So it doesn't matter if you have 200k or if you have 1,000 followers. Keep in mind this, so you have 200k followers, but
out of the 200k, only 0.0001% buys,
meaning that only 10 people or 20 people buy, versus having 5,000 followers or 1,000 followers but 1,000 people buy, or maybe like 70% of that people buy. So don't get fooled by the numbers, because you're gonna lose a lot of money hiring people that are just bringing you fake followers, or they bring you ghost followers. And in your mind as business owners, because all this social media is a new world for many small business owners, so you think about, now I have a bunch of followers, so I'll be good, I'm gonna start selling to my customers. And when you publish a product, you don't get likes, you don't get conversions, your website, you cannot sell a product. And this is the biggest reason why you should stop caring about the amount of followers that you're gonna get in your Instagram. I'm gonna jump into my phone right now so you can actually get real proof of what I'm trying to say and how followers doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you one of my pages, and I'm gonna show you another one that I'm actually managing for my mentor, which is Joel, and I'm actually controlling all his social media at the moment, and we bring in a lot of customers, and we actually bring in a lot of interactions with the page mainly, and those are gonna be buying customers. So let me jump into my phone really quick, and I'm gonna do a screen recording like always, so you can get a sense of what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into my Instagram, and as you can see right here, so in the first page that you can see, we're gonna jump into the analytics, so you can see how a page that have 4,500 followers is gonna outrank a page that has almost 12k followers. So first of all, we have a 4,523 followers. As you can see in the screen, we have 25,000 impressions almost. We have 3,589 reach in the previous 7 days. We have almost 1,000 people visiting our website, or visiting our profile, sorry, and we have almost like 46 website clicks. Okay, so why this is important, because if I go to my other page, which is I Love Dancing, because what happened is that I'm using a different strategy in this page because I want to grow more. But this page, in real numbers, this page gets like around 10 clicks every 7 days. So even though this page is 12k followers, it does get some people going to my website, but those are not buying traffic. And the reason why it's not buying traffic, because you are not a brand, you are not someone that they can trust and they know who you are. So to summarize this, the amount of followers that you're gonna get in your page, it doesn't mean that you're gonna get a conversion. So I can tell you, because I manage at this moment like 7 accounts in total in social media, Instagram, and I need to provide content to my audience. And one of the reasons why people buy is because they trust you, they know who you are, and by you getting an audience of 1 million followers, by
0.0001% buys
business, or they buy something from you. Let me ask you a question, I guess. Would you prefer a page that you have 2,000 followers but 50% of that audience will buy from you, or would you like like a page that is gonna have 200k followers but only
0.0001
gonna buy from you? So if you're a small business, please make sure you know these things, because this is gonna save you a lot of money, especially from guys or like social media experts that they're gonna come to your business but they are not bringing you customers. So this is something that you need to be aware of, and I just wanted to clarify this because there is a lot of people that are losing a lot of money, and actually they are killing the business to people that actually know what they're doing in their business. Like people like me, that we actually care about the business and we care about the customers, that actually we are preoccupied so we can bring them customers, not just likes and followers. And I guess that's gonna be the big takeaway in this video, and this video is gonna be short and sweet. So make sure you watch all the trainings that I have about Instagram. It's gonna be before these videos, so you can see different strategies or different things that you can apply on Instagram in order to step up your Instagram game. Stay tuned for more content to come, and make sure you subscribe. I want to listen if you ever had like a story like this one, where you hired someone that was running your social media but you never saw any kind of ROI or a return on investment in whenever you were paying the amount of money that you did to the social media experts. So let me know that in the comment sections below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna start providing more and more content, not only about Instagram but overall about social media and overall about how to save more money. It's gonna be like a very big channel, so stay tuned, and until the next time, thank you.